Okay, this is Sam requested this video, so I thought I'd try to break this down a little bit more, how I built the smoker. And so basically it's just a big galvanized trash can. Yes, I know, steel worldwide, it's a trash can. So what this is it's got like a little plastic box, and inside of there, if you can see it, there is a computer fan, and it blows in. I didn't want it to blow out, suck out of there and stuff, because if I did, number one, it's like you'd be sucking the smoke out of there, and number two, with the stuff that comes off the smoke, is, you can tell, I'll show you here in a minute, it would coat that fan and pretty soon it would quit working. This is an STC 1000 controller, and I have the cool hooked up to the fan over here, and the heat is actually, you know, the wiring is kind of a nightmare under there, but anyway, and then the heat is hooked up to the hot plate that I have in the bottom down here. And then the reason I put everything in these boxes like this is because if I happen to have this out here and I'm using it and it were to rain or something, all the electronics are still protected. So it's like I said, you can tell the way I've got it wired in there. So if you just kind of have to follow the directions, I think there's a few good videos out there on how to wire one of these things. So anyway, so then I just ran the wires down out through the bottom of the box there. So it's like I said, if it rains, it'll come off the bottom, and I don't have to worry about it raining down inside of there. I did go ahead and put another box inside of here to hold that STC controller in place, because it was wiggling all over the place whenever I tried to maneuver it. And it's like I said, this is a CPAP tube. This is just, I think it's a grease can is what they call it, perhaps. And an old pie tin, I just screwed it in from the bottom, like I said, just to give it some clearance. Some brass nipple pipes, T-pipe. That's just some hosing. You probably got some left over from some homebrewing project. So like I said, the aquarium pump, and I haven't got around to a T, so I just melted with a nail and put all the hoses together. And just got like a hook thing here to hold this. These are hardwood dowels, and I drilled holes through them and put like cotter pins to hold it. This was probably one of the more expensive things, and what this is one of those silicone mats, but I caught it on sale on Amazon, so I went ahead and did that. This is just like a radio knob or something, but I put some weight on that, so when I do close that, it'll actually kind of keep it shut, because I wanted the weight on there to hold that flap down. And it's like I said, I just got it right now back here. I just got it plugged in here to run the aquarium pump. So like I said, I don't have the heat going on this right now, but normally this would be plugged into a bar, electric bar. So anyway, you can see how I got the dowels. I just screwed through the sides of the can to hold those. And as you've seen in one of the other videos I posted, there's a big pizza pan down on the bottom, and the heating element, the hot plate, is actually underneath that. I do have wire threaded rods sticking out to actually hold the mesh cookie rack thing that I've got, in case I need to, you know, like lay something on there, like chicken breast or the salmon that I did. And there's rods that go all the way through there to hold the pizza pan in place as well. But this actually works really good. I probably spent a little more than what I wanted to, but really, when you get the fire started and it gets going really good, and you set the temperature to where you want it, it's pretty much does its own thing. The only thing you would have to do is make sure that your fire stays lit. So like I said, I think I would rather have a little more powerful aquarium pump than what I've got. But basically, after you get this thing set, you just walk off and leave it. It won't get up to a real high temperature as far as like trying to heat something, like say if you wanted to get it up to like an internal temperature of like 170 degrees, it won't do it. I do finish stuff off in the oven, or in the sausage I do in a hot water bath. But like I said, it's pretty much after you get it started and get it going good, get your temperature set where you want it, just walk off and leave it. And that was the reason that I designed this the way that I did, because I pretty much wanted hands-free, so if I have to go do something or whatever, that I don't have to worry about it. So all in all, I would say I might have close to, with all the stuff that I ordered, which I probably wouldn't have had to, but I did anyway, with the real nice stainless steel racks and all that, and the STC 1000 controller and all that, I've probably got $75 or $80 in this, maybe $100 with the silicone mat and all that. But I like it. It does exactly what I want it to. It's pretty much hands off after I get it started. So anyway, I just thought I'd make this video real quick for Sam and Fred. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.